everyone, happy kickoff. This is Brad with REV Robotics, and we're excited to dig in and show off the 2025-2026 REV DUO FTC Starterbot. The Starterbot program continues as we at REV work to unearth a robot design that meets the challenges each year's game presents. We publish the CAD and build plans so teams can decode the details and get building. The purpose of the Starterbot isn't to take away your chance to discover your own solutions. It's more like an artifact you can study, a resource to help excavate ideas and accelerate your season. Our hope is that every team can uncover something valuable from this robot to help them succeed on the field. We'll be following this up with a full walkthrough video, and as always, you can find all the technical documentation at docs.revrobotics.com. If you have questions, leave a comment below or reach out to us at support@revrobotics.com. Good luck this season. Now get out there and create your own history.